Daka Mynsiem badap daka jingsngewnguh ya ka jingtrei shitom met bat Mynsiem khlem kheiñ ya lapbah ka eriong bat ka umbah umsan ban iarap ya ki parabriew ki ngat haka saw ka sian khamtam haka por ba lynshop haki bor mariang Bah Heaving Stone Kharpran MLA Mawryngkneng joka seng Voice of the People Party VPP ula Pynkup Burom miki khat khandai ngut ki dkhot joka Search and Rescue Team SRT haka jingialang bakyrpang bala pynlong haka arpu khandai tarik unaitung ha Dorbar Hall Lumlong sorang kham ki dkhot ka kunhun SRT ki IT lut yaladi banyarap ki ba ki bangat ha ki nu ki jing bat jingjenjar na ki babun ki liang khlem da khen shu yaladi bat ki bu ru bun sian yala ka jong ka jing ha ki jing ma ki bakrau ki hiar sha ki riat ki ram ki ngam ha ki umbah umsaw ban pelat ya ki jing jong ki parabriew na ki jing ma bat jingiap
Hayun. Free Alario Ringshot. Hayun. Free Alario Ringshot. Free Poimi Pasi. Free Nixeng Marak. Free Iban Corridor Solang. Iban Corridor Solang.
So I would like also to thank SP for the briefing and the details of the functioning of this team. Same time, I also thank the member who just now spoke about the problem and grievances facing by the team. So from my side, whatever I can, I will try my level best to address your problems and grievances which you are facing from time to time. We are not in government, but anyway, we'll pursue to government what the problems you are facing. So this is programs nothing. We don't have anything to offer you, but just token of love. We recognize your service about people, not only people of our constituency, but whole state. So in the last few days, I met Director General of Police Mawryngkneng. So I apprised her about the problem which we are facing in this part of the state. So last time also I raised in the assembly regarding the need to have this fuel service station in Mawryngkneng. So the reply from the minister was always processing. So last time when I met the DGP, she said that regarding the land acquisition, as SP said that we have already done. So the government has paid the land compensation to the landowner. Now we are waiting sanction for the infrastructure. I hope that in a short time you will be able to see light today that this first position will be operating in a short time. That's our expectation. And you see, in the last few months, since I became MLA, say 1 year and 5 months, there were 5 accidents cases in my constituency. Out of 4 victims, so to say, affected families, 2 families have received financial assistance from the department concerned. So one